Good views, eh guys? Good views. Consulting all trails. Okay now. So that's just a little bit of practice today, using the GoPro, shooting footage, talking to myself, like some divvy, getting used to all that. Pretending that people are listening. But yeah, today's a bit of a practice for the GoPro. Not only that, it's a little bit of training, so I'm doing Snowden at the end of the month. And we've got some good inclines here. Nothing like Snowden, but could do, wouldn't it? So if you're interested in visiting it, this place is called Wye National Nature Reserve. Wye, W-Y-E. Why? I don't know. Oh my god, hilarious. Shouldn't have worn my coat really. It's not that cold. Sweltering. It's panoramic, that. There's some shooting going on. I don't know if you can hear it. Probably do a little edit with the footage, whether or not I get uploaded. Different story. Can't just upload any old tut. However, got to start somewhere, haven't we? Yet to tackle this monstrosity of an incline, but I'm already blowing out my arse. I think this coat ain't helping, and that, and I just made myself a coffee in the van before I started, before I left off. First time I made coffee in a van. Plugged it straight into the inverter. Engine's still all good, so that's a success. It's probably not coming across how steep this is. Camera footage never does anything justice, does it? Apart from my belly. Down in a bit. There you go. Down need some more on that coffee. It's parched me. Sit on a bench, absolutely blowing up my arse. Need a little puff on the vape. Fucking hell. Absolutely bashed. Terrible habit, this vaping. Well, it's not looking good for Snowden, because the Wye National Nature Reserve inclines literally writing me off, killing me, bro. And I want to climb Snowden at the worst time of year. Where do we get these ideas? Slowly getting my lungs back and my legs. That lactic acid build-up was murder. So there's another route down that way. That is, yeah, back to the bottom of that hill, I reckon. We don't want to fucking do that, do we? Oh no. In a minute I'm going to try one of them walking past shots. So we'll give that one a little go. Let's give it a little go here. Fuck it. How did it look? How did it look? Who let dogs out? I believe that's a kennel or a shelter, some sort. They're all looking at me. Want me for dins. Fucking hell. I had a right old noise, didn't I? Apologies to the neighbours. Just walking past, you know. Just walking past, bruv. Take me fucking eye out. Fucking branch, take me eye out. Bastard, you. So yeah, I need to get used to this sort of walking and talking bollocks. Walking and talking bollocks. It's weird, isn't it? But can't do it without it, can you? I suppose you can. You do a little bit of the silent hikes and the ASMR stuff, which I watch and enjoy, but I think I prefer the edit and chatting. Back on trail, back on trail. Off we go, love, off we go. So yeah, I started a YouTube channel. It's called Vanish Adventures. Shortly before Christmas last year, bought a 2016 Transit. Mark 8 L2H2. It's quite small, compact, fits in a space nicely, and these country roads around here, it's snug, but not as snug as it could be, and we're in the process of converting it very slowly. It's not going to be anything fancy, top end, although saying that, I have spent well over £1,000 on the rogue alloys and wheels. But it looks cool, doesn't it? Come on. The insides, currently not done anything really apart from strip it out. Got a sofa bed in there at the minute so I can make use of it as a day van type of thing. It's got inverter and leisure battery already. Split charge relay. So we can do bits. It's a good base, I'd say. But yeah, more to come. Well, this should save me a bit of time. Have a look. That's convenient. Ain't got to fuck about with the gate. Nice new barn. You can't really see it, mate. You have to trust me. So I just cut through a little farm bit, working farm. Couple of lads there unloading some shit. Not shit, but timber. So it's just that. Just cutting through, lads. Just cutting through. They didn't mind. They were just there. No worries. It's not our land, but you'll be fine. It's always a bit weird when you walk in the footpaths and you cut through the farms. And this is like directly through the farm. The courtyard. You call it the court? The court? I don't know. The yard. There you go. The yard. Yeah. Well, we're all good. Other options. Head that way onto the road. Carry on with the footpath across the land. Looks like we come to some sort of water feature. So I'll take this way.
City lights were shining bright, carry dreams up high. Walk the bustling avenues beneath the still grey sky. But concrete can feel cold and the noise can pierce the soul. I long for fields of green where silver rivers roll. Packed my bags one evening, left that urban maze. Traded traffic's endless hum for a quiet winding gaze. Cool breeze through the hayfields, calm the tired heart. Found peace in simple hours where the troubles part. From the city to the countryside, I found a different life, where the stars light up the heavens and the air cuts like a knife. No more neon lights or sirens, just the sound of nature's call. From the city to the countryside, I've come to mend it all. Oh.
Nice little tunnel valley of trees. It's probably got a name. I'm sure it's called something, but I don't know what they call it. So to me it's a tunnel valley. Let me just check the map, make sure I'm going the right way, 'cause there's two ways here. Yeah, right way, son, right way. Yeah, as I said earlier, I'm doing my own loop. Well, it ain't a fucking loop. It's all over the place, zigzagging, making my own trail, but sticking to the public footpaths. Ooh, yeah. We're on a decline now. I feel like fucking thought I'd had me done or something. So I'm going to finish up this little trail and loop and head back to the van, and then I'll see you lot there. Well, I think there's a little water feature coming up, so I may turn it back on. We'll see. That's cool though. Still hear the kennel in the distance. I proper set them off, man. Proper set them off. Owners must be thinking there's a break-in or something, but no, just me passing through. But I don't help myself because just a bit like a fucking what's the word? A mercenary, I suppose, or an SAS. I look like a fucking terrorist, so don't look the friendliest, but don't judge a book by the cover. Fucking lovely geezer. Oh, shame there's a bit of cloud. Be a nice little sunset otherwise. Still, it's a nice skyline. Legs are starting to burn a bit. We're only on about three miles. It's 3 miles of big declines and inclines and all sorts. So it's not easy. It's on my way back to the van. I'm had to walk past the dogs again. I'm not sure if it is just kennels or whatever, or it's actually just a farm and it's their dogs. But you had some loose, about four loose, that seem more placid. They're not loose to the footpath, loose on the farm. That's fenced in. Yeah, they seem more placid, but it seemed as though their job was like to alert the owners or the other dogs of people's presence, because they were the ones that spotted me, and I was on the other side of the fence on a footpath, and they spotted me and done their little bark. And the other dogs, their bark is more like, sounds dangerous, you know. It sounds like they've there was an issue on the farm, they'd be the ones that dealt with it, got let out. So yeah, it's quite clever really. They have their own little jobs, lookout and violence. You got the lookout and the soldiers, in it. But no, it's cool. I suppose you need it because farms are subject to theft and stuff like that. Agricultural theft. It's quite bad, isn't it? So I hear. Quite how you steal a fucking tractor, who knows? Yeah. Almost back at the farm. Almost back at the van now. It's been a lovely walk, to be fair. I'm sweating out. Sweating the fuck out. I'm not knackered. My heel's hurting because these boots are rubbing. Probably not fit for purpose. They're hunter boots, not wellies, but the same brand. They're like almost look like a mucking boot with that sort of like ribbed shell toe type effect, and the rest is sort of like canvas, I believe. It's got a fixed sole and a rubber toe. Other than that, it's sort of canvas, but it's rubbing, so they're not great for walking, I don't think, in my opinion. I wear them for work at the minute. But must get some more. Not those, different ones, proper walking shoes or boots or trainers. I've got some trail runners, but they're not waterproof. They're comfy, they're just not waterproof. So I need some fully waterproof ones, Gore-Tex or whatnot. We'll see. There she is, guys. And thankfully, the gate is still open, so I can get out. It's always good. So yeah, this is the base of Vanish Adventures. This is her.